With Subsurface Analyst, it is easy to add existing cross-section images to GIS-based cross-sections. You can leverage existing cross-sections from reports and geologic atlases into your subsurface models. This map shows an overview of the coastal aquifer system in Virginia. You can see that a set of cross-sections have been created for the area. When we zoom in, you can see that each one of the cross-sections has a name. We will focus on the two highlighted cross-sections. Each one of the section lines shown in the map is related with an image that was prepared as part of a USGS hydrogeologic study of the coastal aquifer. The images AD-AD' and BD-BD' were cropped from a PDF and converted to JPEG files. Using the XS2D image wizard, we will spatially register the images so we can integrate them into our cross-sections. With the wizard enabled, I select the desired cross-section. In the first step, I browse to the image file I want to register with the cross-section. Most standard image formats such as JPEG, PNG, and TIFF are supported. Notice that I can use the endpoints of the section line to register the cross-section, or I can use intermediate registration points along the section line. In this case, I'll leave the default and use the cross-section endpoints. In the second step of the wizard, I register the image using the image registration interface. I use the left and right sliding bars to register the image to the endpoints of the section line. The top and bottom sliding bars help me register the image in the vertical dimension. Once I place the bars, I need to set the top and bottom elevation values. After registering, I select Next to continue to steps 3 and 4. In this case, I'll accept the defaults for the cross-section panels and panel dividers and for the grid spacing. At the end of this process, a new data frame is created for cross-section BD-BD'. Notice that the JPEG image is now registered to the data frame. The new data frame includes grid lines, panel dividers, and is set up to be able to sketch cross-section panels based on the image that was geo-referenced into the cross-section. I can now sketch the cross-section panels by tracing over the hydrogeologic units in the image. With the Subsurface Analyst tools, I can add additional information such as borehole data, outcrops, terrain, faults, and water levels. The process of adding additional data is shown in a separate video. For simplicity in this example, I'll just continue sketching based only on the cross-section image. At the end of this process, I'll have a set of cross-section panels that represent the hydrogeologic units along cross-section BD-BD'. The cross-section panels can be transformed to 3D geosections. The geosections can be viewed in ArcScene. The cross-section sketched in ArcMap can be displayed in 3D in ArcScene. In this final example, I'll show a set of cross-sections that were geo-referenced and converted to 3D to form a three-dimensional fence diagram.